Okay, so today I'm going to demo the empirical formula of silver oxide lab. So I'm going to start with massing a crucible and its lid. I'm going to wait for the start and then I'm going to write it down. Okay, so now I'm going to mass the crucible and my solid. I already added my solid, the silver oxide, and I'm going to mass it, trying to get about 0.5 grams. But it's okay if you go a little over or a little under. You just want to be close. Okay, so in this case I'm over, but that's okay. So now I have 0.57.
Oh, I can't believe this.
Now I have the rest of my solid. Okay, so for this lab, you're going to need a desiccator, which is what you're going to put the crucible in while it's cooling, because you can't mass it right away when it's super hot. You're going to need a clay triangle, which is this thing. You're going to need a ring clamp, a Bunsen burner, matches, obviously a crucible and a lid, and crucible tongs to move the crucible back and forth. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to light a match, turn the gas on, and get it heating. Well, actually, before that, you want to make sure that your lid is off center, so that there's a little bit of an opening to let some of the pressure out and stuff like that. So let some of the air out. Okay, so I'm going to light the match. Now I'm going to turn the gas on and light my Bunsen burner. And you want to make sure that the ring clamp, or the bottom of the crucible, is in the hot part of the flame. So right about there. And you're just going to let this heat for a couple minutes. It's okay if the crucible gets red or hot, or the clay gets really hot. That's what it's meant to do. Okay, so now that it's been heating for about 3 minutes, we're going to turn the gas off. I'm going to open up my crucible lid, not crucible, desiccator lid, and I'm going to transfer the crucible into the desiccator, the lid and the actual container separately. So as you can see, I'm holding the crucible by its side. You don't want to go around the crucible because you will drop it. And then you hold the lid by the little tab that's on the top. So now you're going to put the desiccator lid back on. Okay, so now that my crucible is cool, I can touch it. It's not that hot. It's a little bit warm, but that's fine. I'm going to mass it again. And there should be a mass change. As you see, there is. So now I'm going to write this down. And then I'm going to take this off, heat it again, and then wait till it cools one more time, and then mass it once again. Okay, so I'm going to turn the Bunsen burner on and light it once again. So I'm going to tilt the lid and let it heat another 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so now it's been heated for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to turn the gas off, open the desiccator lid, and put it into the desiccator again. You have to be really careful because you don't want to drop the crucible or its lid, because these are kind of expensive, so you don't want to drop it, break it. So be super careful with these. Make sure you know what you're doing. Okay, so after my crucible has cooled, I'm going to mass it again. As you can see, it's really close to the mass after I heated it the first time. As you can see, they're very similar.